answer that question, folks. Why not going biking? That's the main Toogoolawah road. Up from Est to Toogoolawah, up to Harlin. So there is a little creek down the bottom there somewhere, down there where that hay bale is. You can see that hay bale in there.
Hey John, so this is the river that was flooded all the way up to the main road up there. So this is usually a little stream, so you can see the amount of water here. You can probably see where it's been up to, somewhere that height. So basically all this land here was covered, right up to those houses actually. It was coming in their back door just about.
Oh, the little brook. Completely submerged. And that's, you can't, I don't know if you can see it, how that's go over. The water is right up to the top of the road there just now. About to go over the road.
Hey Chance, I don't know if you can see this. This is Escomat now, so it's down the road from Toogoolawah. It's the next sort of small township down. Just look at what's being flattened here. It's literally flattened all the trees in the centre there, all the way down. And it's brought this silt up as well. So you can see where it was all the way up to the bank, top of the bank there. Is he talking what? I don't know. Maybe 3, 4, even 5 metres maybe above where I am now. Its high point. Look at the stuff it's taken out from the tree roots. So this was a camping area, free camp area in Esk. It's completely ripped it apart. The flood, you can just see it all the way down. It's relatively tame now, but certainly wouldn't have been literally less than 24 hours ago. This was literally less than 24 hours after it. Hey Charles, this is absolutely insane. Let's put that drone footage in here as well. So this is connecting just outside Esk, going across to Kilcoy. So it's a lower road from Esk to Kilcoy. This is a Shears crossing. So I usually go and sit. You probably can't see how the drone footage comes up better, but I usually sit at these little barbecue stands which are underwater, and I'm not joking, this bridge is probably 15-20 metres.
Rain on me, you stormy skies, wash my sins away. Let the thunder roll, let the lightning strike, until I'm clean again. Oh, moonshine bright, behind the clouds. But don't you show your face till I'm clean by and by, and I'm free from earthly trials, till I'm new again after the rain. Oh, after the rain, when the clouds roll away, when my skin is soaked through with water, when the pain is awful great, I can face the coming days, when I'm new again after the rain. When I come or go, to the west, to the east, or the mountain or over the sea, it don't matter where I am, I won't be a happy man if those clouds just follow me. Someone said to me, you're a fool to wait, I will take you down to the river, and the stream will wash away all the pain of yesterday. I said thanks, but I was wait for.
Hey Charles, so this is the bottom end of Somerset Dam. So Somerset Dam is behind there. So the water height is 101 metres in the reservoir there, and it's obviously coming over the spillway and creating quite a stir downstream. You can't really see it on this camera, but there's quite a lot of water coming out there.
What Jesus said, he never spoke to me, but I thank the sky above for pouring down her holy love to save a wretch like me. Oh,